Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best leaf mulchers that are available on the market.
I made this list based on my personal research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have WORX WG430 13-amp foldable bladeless electric leaf mulcher. The tripod leg design helps this mulcher fit over any garbage can you may have. Just set it on top, turn the mulcher on and you can shred away with ease. More to that, its 13-amp motor shreds up to 53 gallons of leaves per minute. Being very easy to assemble, users need no tools to set this mulcher up. At the same time, its bladeless system helps keep any dust and mess down as you work. There is also a 13-inch mouth providing plenty of room to get all those leaves inside. Turn 11 bags of leaves and debris into one with the 13.0 amp electric leaf mulcher. A whole afternoon's worth of work can be chopped down into a manageable load, instead of dragging a dozen plus bags to the curb. This tool features a clean air motor cooling system, enabling it to run at peak efficiency and keep mulching up to 53 gallons of leaves per minute. Its 13 inches cutting diameter is supported by an easy-to-change string system, so you'll always have Sharpline. Easy to use, easy to maintain, easy to store, it's lawn clearing made easy. Moving on at number 4, we have Black Plus Decker 3-in-1 electric leaf blower and mulcher with leaf vacuum kit. This 12-amp motor from Black & Decker is governed by the 2-speed controls. For this reason, you can pick how fast you want the blower to blow, vacuum or mulch. Meanwhile, the mulcher does all the rest. You can blow those leaves away with air speeds up to 250 meters ph, then mulch them down at a 16:1 ratio. You can turn those 16 bags of raked leaves and reduce them into 1 bag of garbage or garden fertilizer. The good thing is the item is very lightweight. FYI, this mulcher weighs only 8 pounds, making it very easy to carry around into your work. Easy change between vacuum and blower. Includes blow tube, vacuum tube, easy empty reusable collection bag and concentrator. At number 3, we have Flowtron La 900, the ultimate mulcher electric leaf shredder. You bring the leaves to this stationary mulcher of Flowtron and see how powerful it works. Its wide mouth allows you to place a lot of leaves inside at one time. Simply place the mulcher over your garbage can and start filling. Additionally, the 8:1 ratio reduces your large leaves down to almost nothing. Then, you can select the setting you want to use. From fine to coarse, pine needles to grass. What you mulch and how fine they get is all up to you. Thanks to its patented design, double heavy-duty cutting lines, and powerful universal motor with circuit breaker and reset button for overload protection, the leaf eater shreds wet or dry leaves, thatch, grass clippings, pine needles, and even paper as fast as you can load them. At number 2, we have Necer Leaf Vacuum Shredder Blower Handheld Bag 2-Speed Electric Mulcher. The extra large nozzle from Necer lets you blow or pick up those pesky leaves quite easily. Then, the carry-along collection bag holds onto the mulched leaves with ease. The zipper closure is on the side of the bag, which allows for easier and better waste emptying. On the other hand, the motor is so powerful that able to lift up pine needles with ease. With 2 speeds, you get to set how fast you want this mulcher and blower to work. All in all, this is a heavy-duty mulcher for heavy-duty jobs. And finally at number 1. WORX Trivac Blower and Mulcher. The 8-foot hose is the special highlight of this mulcher. You can vacuum and mulch your leaves right into a large garbage bag. The 12-amp motor is powerful enough to tackle any amount of leaves sitting in your yard or driveways. Plus, it is lightweight. Weighing less than 9 pounds, you can carry this mulcher with ease. There is also an extension cord which enables you to reach every corner of the yard. Also, the mulcher has variable speeds that allow you to handle your leaves the way you want.
Thanks for watching. I hope like this video. If this was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this product, you can comment down below. I will back to you as soon as I can.